Today I want to talk to you about some things that I've been working on, a few different concepts. I've been trying to pull them together, and believe it or not, it's kind of been a struggle getting some of the items. Some of them I created myself to make things simpler. So, I'm going to bring you a little bit closer, let you see what's going on here. Yeah, that's that gold box that I found at Hobby Lobby, a loofah, a makeup sponge, and the holder. It's a set. We found that at Dollar Tree. The vanilla sugar scent spa set. The gold diamond tumbler and a beautiful journal with gold foil, and it's the little balloon dog. I think that's a poodle. This is the ribbon that I made to go with it. Okay. So that's what I have so far. That's for that one. And this one also is a container that I found at Hobby Lobby with the vanilla sugar scented bath set. This one has a candle that I made with a wooden wick. I make the vessels as well. So this is actually a teacup. It looks like a face. Okay? And it's sitting on top of a saucer that also has a face. Okay? I'm going to shred all over my fingers. And glitter. Yeah. So, and then in the back here, there is a pretty gold picture frame. So I tried to keep these kind of simple because it has this in it. So I didn't want to do too much. And this is the bow that I made for this one. If I could stop and knock it all over the place. But this is the one for this one. Okay? And it has the long tail. Only I can hold it right. I'll fix it up. But I hope you can see here. Can you see my vision? Can you see my vision? Okay? Yeah. So tell me what you think about this, about these two concepts, okay? And if you think maybe I might need to add something right here, I'm not sure. Should I put something here? Okay. Because it looks empty to me. So tell me, will we get too much going on? Or should I just let it go? So tell me what you think. I'm really curious to know. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think about these two concepts. If you think there's something that I need to add to that one, or if I should let it go for more interesting things where you might want to add something different, check out my other videos. Until next time, bye.